Oh Lord, they done booted Commander from the White House. Y'all, Commander out there biting on folks. Now he got to take his butt on up out of here, cause that's don't nobody want to be in there with him. President Biden's dog Commander was recently booted from the White House as reports have emerged that the German Shepherd has bitten more personnel than previously disclosed, creating what staffers are calling a dangerous workplace, with his ass running around there biting on everybody. We're beyond the point of worrying about trust being broken. We just gotta speak up, the source said. With the Secret Service detail, he commander on a rampage. So, there have been 12 documented biting incidents, and they had said there's more, including 11 with U.S. Secret Service staff involving the 2-year-old pooch. He ain't no joke, they said. He ran 10-10, he's not. But sources told CNN that the actual number of incidents is way higher, as other White House workers have been on the receiving end of commanders' attacks of aggression. Because you know, when you got a dog that is just used to not being around all those different bodies, you know, it's kind of unpredictable. And I think Commander's ass should have been gone. None of the sources who questioned, requested anonymity, anonymity, y'all know what I'm trying to say, to speak freely about the troubling situation could provide an exact tally of the times that the damn canine has sunk his teeth into executive mansion employees, but said uh, that executive residence staff are among the victims, the dog's first victims, and that they run and hide when they see him coming. A real live Cujo. She said, "Oh my God, I'm limited." That's what it is. The last time Commander chomped on an employee was last Monday when he bit a uniformed Secret Service officer who was treated at the complex. The White House ground superintendent Dale Haley, 71, was also bitten by the dog. Ain't nobody safe. Ain't nobody safe. Ain't nobody safe in the White House. The severe the severity of the bites has ranged in the incident, but at least one of the dog's victims was sent to the hospital with lacerations to his arms and thighs. Cujo ain't no joke. A Secret Service supervisor reportedly warned agents that Commander had bit staff in a large number of incidents over the summer. A source said the White House describing the job as hostile and dangerous. Agents use their radios to alert one another when the aggressive pooch is outside and warn their colleagues to avoid certain areas if they don't want to get bit. The dog has since been tossed from the White House ground because he is out of control. So the commander is not presently on the White House campus while the next steps um, are evaluated so we can figure out what to do with him. because he bites everybody's ass. Joe Biden's older dog, Major, another German Shepherd, was previously ousted from D.C. for the same similar bad behavior. Commander was gifted to the first family on the same day Major was given to family friends after biting multiple Secret Service agents in 2021. It is unclear if the White House is keeping a record of the number of Commander bites. The President and First Lady care deeply about the safety of those who work at the White House. I don't know what this dog is. She might be taking offense to my story. Anyway, the President and First Lady care deeply about the safety of those who work at the White House and those who protect him every day. They remain grateful for the patience and support of the U.S. Secret Service and all involved as they continue to work through the solution. What you doing, Pepper? Pepper, Pepper, lay down, lay down. All right, y'all. Thanks for being out there. Let me go for my dog. Um, Begin to act crazy herself. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.